Okay, here we go again. The Onan generator. We're going to do the coupler and the belt. What it do would get hot, and would warm up totally. The microwave wouldn't do it right. You run the microwave for 10 minutes, get water, coffee boiling or whatever, and they shut that off. When you turn the AC on, in 5 and 7 minutes, that belt be squealing. Y'all know what a belt sounds like squealing on a car. So he didn't know what it was. He was inside when the generator was acting up. So I taught him how to do that. Listen to it. And please, folks, do your preventive maintenance on your damn generators. Now, this is the second video. I have some bolts I'm going to show you that have to take off the top plate, whatever you want to call it. There's technical names. So this plate is mounted on springs. Okay, right? It goes wobble, 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 wobble. Right? Now I have to take this bolt out right here. Okay, so that. Put you on pause. That is a T50, okay? But what I had to do was, if you look in the previous video, you'll see that this is a cover right here, okay? It covers the stator windings. That's this outer part. It comes into here. And what it is, it's a 5/16. I use these magnetic sockets. There's I'll show you. Right, there's the cover from looking from top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's one here. Well, not only does this cover come off and get you to your AC circuit breakers, which get old and they pop before their prescribed amperage, right? So 30 amps, 215s. Okay, 230s. All right, now. You know where they hid the bolt, right? See, here's the other bolt, T30. All right, so this is the control module. I'm gonna clean this off for you and show you what to look for. Okay, so I wiped it down. What you're looking for is bubbling. This is a potting. It's a hard, clear gel. It's got a little plasticity to it, or it gives a little bit. But you're gonna look in there for burnt, bubbling traces. All right, or if you see any heat marks. I don't see none yet. Looking pretty good. Okay, there's the part numbers there. All right. So, and this is a heat sink. So that's the part the transistor gets rid of the heat. So where's the heat going to go? It's inside this box and all. So what I've learned to do, since the air flows through this thing, I've learned to ventilate this box a little better because it's not ventilated. All right, you think it would come through here, but that's foam. All right, so what's the reason why I had to take all this off? The plate mounting bolt, the T50, okay? Because there's one on each corner, and then this has a spring here, but that's bolted down on the bottom plate. All right, so basically, you learned a little bit about where the stuff is, the circuit breakers, the 215 amps, the on and off switch, right? Remember, the off switch is a prime. You should prime all the time. I say, if I can hear the fuel pump back here go ding, 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 ding. When it loads up, pretty much so the carburetor bowl has floated and shut off. So it's easier for me to start my generator, supposedly, if everything's working right. Now remember, you learned about the control module and all that, right? Okay, so this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I told you it would be a short video, just showing you the step-by-step procedures of getting this generator up and off so I can get to the bottom plate, take it off, and show you where the belt and coupler is. Thank you very much. You know the motto, test not guess. You know the rest of the story, right? Safe travels, may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Probably at this garage in school, Seaford, Delaware. Look down in the comments down below, right? You see a little arrow below the video on the right-hand side. You hit that and it expands everything. All right, something else you learned. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.